Hello folks, available now at Western Honda Stirling is this fantastic Honda Jazz 1.4 petrol manual EST. The T stands for technology, and it means that the car is fitted with the optional satellite navigation and Bluetooth, which was picked up when the car was new. The one previous owner has also added rear parking sensors, which are yet again another optional extra. It's on a 13 plate, as you can see, and it's only done 21,000 miles. So it was very well looked after, very carefully. You can see very generous boot space as in any other Honda Jazz, and a very low loading edge to enhance practicality. We also get the clever and versatile Honda Magic seats in the rear, which means they will fold down absolutely flat, but also the bench of the seat will go up the way just like a cinema seat does. The reliability and the running costs of the car are fantastic and very well renowned for. But it also comes with automatic climate control, power folding door mirrors, USB port, and many more. With full service history and the low mileage, which I already mentioned, the car's an absolutely must have. So please give us a call, 01786 406 200, or fill the online inquiry form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.